How to watch ESPN2 on YouTube TV 2026. ESPN2. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a YouTube TV subscriber and you're trying to watch ESPN2 but you're not sure where to find it or how to get it set up, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to watch ESPN2 on YouTube TV in 2026, from finding the channel to watching live sports and replays. Let's get into it. Is ESPN2 included in YouTube TV? First things first, let's answer the most important question. Yes, ESPN2 is included in the YouTube TV base plan. You do not need any add-on or extra sports package to access it. As long as you have an active YouTube TV subscription, you already have ESPN2 available to you. So if you're paying for YouTube TV and haven't been watching ESPN2, you've been leaving a channel you're already paying for completely unused. Let's fix that right now. How to find ESPN2 on YouTube TV through a browser. If you're watching on a computer, open your browser and go to TV, YouTube.com. Sign in with your Google account that's linked to your YouTube TV subscription. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top of the screen for the search icon or the search bar. Click on it and type in ESPN2. The channel will appear in the search results. Click on it and you'll be taken directly to the ESPN2 live feed, where you can start watching whatever is currently airing. How to find ESPN2 on the YouTube TV app. If you're on a phone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device like a Roku, Fire Stick, or Apple TV, open the YouTube TV app. Once you're inside the app, tap on the Live tab at the bottom or top of the screen depending on your device. This shows you all the channels that are currently live. You can scroll through the channel list to find ESPN2 or use the search function inside the app and type ESPN2 to jump straight to it. Tap on the channel and you're in. Adding ESPN2 to your favorites. If you watch ESPN2 regularly, the best thing you can do is add it to your favorites so you can find it instantly every time. On the YouTube TV app or website, go to the ESPN2 channel page. Look for a plus icon or a heart icon near the channel name and click or tap it. This adds ESPN2 to your favorites list, which puts it right at the top of your channel lineup so you never have to search for it again. Super simple and saves you a lot of time. Watching ESPN2 on your TV through CHRMSASD or AirPlay. If you want to watch on your big screen TV, you have a couple of easy options. If you have a Chromecast or a TV with built-in Chromecast, open YouTube TV on your phone or browser, navigate to ESPN2 and tap the cast icon in the corner. Select your TV from the list and it'll start playing on the big screen immediately. If you're on an iPhone or iPad and have an Apple TV or AirPlay compatible TV, tap the AirPlay icon and select your TV. Same result, big screen ESPN2 in seconds. Using DVR to record ESPN2 content. One of the best features of YouTube TV is the unlimited DVR storage. So if there's a game or a show on ESPN2 that you don't want to miss but you can't watch it live, you can record it and watch it later. Go to the ESPN2 channel or find the specific program in the guide. Click on it and look for the Add to Library or Record button. YouTube TV will automatically record it and store it in your library for up to 9 months. You can then watch it anytime on any device. Troubleshooting if ESPN2 is not showing up. If for some reason ESPN2 isn't appearing in your channel list, here are a few quick fixes. First, make sure your YouTube TV subscription is active and in good standing. A lapsed payment can restrict channel access. Second, check that you're signed into the correct Google account that holds your YouTube TV subscription. Third, try refreshing the app or clearing the cache on your device. And fourth, double-check your location settings, because YouTube TV uses your location to determine available channels, and if your location isn't set correctly, some channels may not appear. And that is everything you need to know about watching ESPN2 on YouTube TV in 2026. It's already included in your plan, easy to find through search or the live guide, and even easier to set up as a favorite for quick access. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more YouTube TV and streaming tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.